Hello again, part 2. This one is post-apocalypse. What are you going to do? You got any plans? Are you longing to go somewhere? I am. I really want to go and see my friend up in Scarborough. I'd like to go and see my daughter in Leicester. Amongst other things, I'd like to just go for a long ride. I'd like to go and see my sister. They're rides that I miss. Alright, just give her a bit of a workout. James and I were going to go off-roading somewhere like Thetford or further afield, take a bivvy, spend a couple of days when the weather was nice. Unfortunately, I have a feeling that'll be washed out, because although they're talking about the end of June, I don't think this shit's going to be over with. I actually think it's going to go on longer. I think this could go on for a long time. I have a feeling that even at the end of June that they're talking about at the moment, we could discover that they're going to extend it. Depends on how that curve goes, and I'm not convinced. Yes, it's coming down under severe lockdown. But you know what's going to happen? They're going to ease lockdown, everybody's going to relax. The idiot percentage is going to totally ignore everything. And we're all going to be goosed. Slightly disconcerting. So I've written this summer off. And if we get anything, it'll be a bonus. But you must be thinking of something. Everyone who rides a bike is thinking of something. Everyone's thinking of going somewhere, even if it's only locally, even if it's to a cafe to meet friends. Hate that when the hedge grows. You can normally see down that road and see if anything's coming. But with all the growth, you can't really see, or you wouldn't see a small car. Cramping my style. That was it, I suppose, another short one. Definitely got a little rattle in this. I didn't have before. No reason for the timing chain to have suddenly done anything because I've done a service. Absolutely nothing else I've touched that should have been disturbed. Oh, I really don't know. Something obviously loose somewhere. I'm not going to drag this out. That was my question. Are you planning to go anywhere? Had you planned to go anywhere? And when the restrictions are lifted, what are you going to do? Answers on a postcard. And you know what to do. Smile at the miserable buggers. Be happy. Be safe. Speak to you soon. Bye.